I give you Megasaurus.
They said Godzilla.
Watch this thing transform. Kids, make some noise for him. Let's wake him up. The fire-breathing, metal-munching monster. Welcome to Bangor, Megasaurus.
Careful, you might end up with a Megasaurus. Scared? Should be scared. That is cool.
I didn't know
Scary. That's cool.
Are you hungry, buddy? Megasaurus, ladies and gentlemen, is about to get wild, about to get crazy. He's hungry. He hasn't been fed all day long.
That is cool.
As the story goes, Megasaurus is part of a two-machine team. These machines were built many years ago as experiments for the United States military. They were deserted on an island in the Pacific Ocean. Many years later, a passing freighter noticed the two power monsters and went on the island to get some more information. Realizing that the power monsters were abandoned, he spent his life savings and brought them back to the mainland of the United States and put them on tour. And get ready, ladies and gentlemen, to witness the awesome power of Megasaurus. Check the awesome power of Megasaurus out. He'll tear that car in half when he's done eating it, chewing it up.
That's cool.
Like eating a dried piece of beef jerky. Megasaurus looks like he wants a little barbecue going on here right now. Mustn't have tasted good. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Kids, make some noise for Megasaurus. Look at that, tear that car right in two.
Oh my God.
Megasaurus, you still hungry? Oh man, you need some mouthwash, buddy. They don't make a dog bone big enough for you. Megasaurus, ladies and gentlemen, let him hear it. He likes to get a little attention when he eats. We still got more to that car to tear apart. A little bit of indigestion going on there, buddy. Megasaurus wants to let him know you like what he's doing. Check it out, man. Megasaurus is hungry here tonight. Let him hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Megasaurus tore that car in half. Man, Megasaurus, he was hungry. Kids, give him a big round of applause. He's saying thank you to you. What do you say, buddy? I know, I don't like that look you get in your eyes. Give him a big round of applause as he comes to your side. He's saying thank you. Oh man, Megasaurus. Mind your manners. We need to teach you some table manners. Taking a bow, check it out, man. Megasaurus as he goes back into his secret identity. What a great job by the metal munching monster, Megasaurus. You know it, buddy. You want some more Megasaurus? You gotta come back for more tomorrow night? Yeah, he says, oh yeah. You keep feeding me, I'll work for food. I think you're trying to speak some sort of language, Megasaurus. I do not understand Megasaurusese. It's like Thanksgiving dinner, buddy. Eat and go to sleep.